Thatch is a real problem that not a lot of people know about. Thatch is made up of lots of different things, but mainly dead grass. Parts of your grass are dying every year, producing thatch. It needs to be removed regularly via scarifying and aerating. In nearly every case, this needs doing annually, in addition to your regular seasonal treatment program. Removing your grass cuttings when mowing will also reduce the risk of thatch production. Some people think a spongy lawn is great. However, if your lawn feels like a sponge, it's unhealthy and needs regular scarifying and aerating to reduce the thatch. It's suffocating your grass, not allowing it to breathe properly and not allowing moisture to penetrate the soil. Scarifying is an essential treatment in your annual lawn care program. It ensures the thatch built up over time is regularly controlled. Reducing this waste allows your grass to breathe and maintain that lush, green, healthy look all year round. Hollow tine aeration is also a great tool in the control of thatch. It opens up channels to allow air, moisture and light into the soil, increasing microbial activity, which in turn helps to control thatch. Hollow tine aeration is also great for reducing compaction in the soil. For more information on our services, head over to our website or follow us on social media.